and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Today we're going to unbox a subscription to Nordstrom's Trunk Club. Let me fill you in on a little bit of the deets on it. Trunk Club is the same as any other clothing subscription. You take a style quiz so that they can handpick, curate products for you. This box that I've had them curate for me has some housewares in it. I don't know if that's typical or not, but I know I have at least one piece for homeware in it. There's a wide range of prices. It's all over the charts. There is no subscription. You order a trunk whenever you want one. You may schedule them whenever you want. There is a styling fee of $25. Unless you have a Nordstrom card, then the styling fee is free, which is nice. But just like any other, the $25 style fee gets credited back to you if you don't purchase anything, or the $25 goes towards any purchase that you make. There is free shipping and free returns. There's a 5-day try-on for you to, in your home, decide what you like and you don't like. And then I will have a link below that talks about getting $50 worth of product free just by using my link. All right, well, here we are. It is a big box. I open it. I've not peeked in it at all. So let's get into it. As long as I don't break a nail. All right, here we go. We'll pull each piece out and take a look. It does appear that each piece is wrapped individually. All right, here we have a jumpsuit or a romper with long pants. Now this, I'm afraid, might be too long. I will try on everything so you can see. This I thought was super cute. It showed that it would be a crop length on the average height person, so I thought it would be a long length on me. We'll see when we try this on. It is an olive color, and it is by Caslon, and it is $59. Okay. Next item is a pink top. I thought this was darling. Has poofy sleeves, and then has a tie, a bow tie at the end of each sleeve. I thought this was cute, along with the square neckline. This is new to me. So this item is by CC, and it is $49. Now I'll have to double check my receipt because some of these items were on sale as well. So when I try all them on, I'll give you prices if anything is on sale, so you can always go on their app and purchase everything or anything that I'm showing you today. Our next item is a dress. I believe this to be a petite, in fact. Let's see. It is petite large by Nick and Zoe. This I'm excited to try on because I think this should be awfully cute on me. And I love that it's a petite. All right. Nick and Zoe, and it's $168. And I know this was one of the items that was on sale, so when I try it on, I'll give you the sale price. I will link every piece that's in this box. I'll link it down below so it makes it easier for you to purchase. Here's the next item. It is a pinkish peach plush throw. It is the Nordstrom brand, and it was $39.50, but I believe this to be on sale. This will look really beautiful in my sunroom. It's got the tassels on the end. There wasn't many of these left. This, I think, was the only color that they had in stock still. But it is really lovely, very plush. All right, here we have some jeans. This is by Not Your Daughter's Jeans, and these are petites. These are a size 12 petite. So these should be a great fit. They are straight leg. I'm trying to get a few straight leg pieces in my wardrobe and trying to phase out the skinny jeans. All right, and these, like I mentioned, Not Your Daughter's Jeans, 12 petite, and I don't see the price here. When I try it on, I'll give you the price of these jeans. Yeah, the tag isn't here anywhere. All right, moving on to the next item. All right, here we have another shirt. It's just a simple gray tank, but it is a petite, so I'm looking forward to the length being correct for me. This is by Nick and Zoe. And being a petite makes it all the better for me. And let's see what the price is on this. I don't see a tag anywhere on it. When I try it on, I'll give you the price and it'll be on the link down below. Okay, next item we have is another dress. I'm very excited about this because the color is just smashing. And it's not a petite, but it does look like it could be the right length for me. I can't wait to try all this on. This dress is by, let's see, Halogen. It's a large and it is $79. That's a nice price for a dress. The red is gorgeous. All right, so here we have an item they sent. I didn't request and I didn't review. This was a surprise. This is by Quay. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, Quay. Okay, and it's a pair of sunglasses. I'm really not in the market for any sunglasses, and I have kind of a small head, so large aviators sometimes look silly on me. So let's see what these look like. I love how they're ombre looking. Not bad. I quite like them. Oh, I wasn't quite sure if I would. All right. And I don't see a price tag on them, but I'll update you when I'm listing everything down below. Okay. Cute case, the clear case. That's nice to have. All right. Next item we have is a pair of jeans. They're not petite, but they are short. So it's a 12S, and these are Not Your Daughter's Jeans again. These are a darker shade, which I quite like. And they showed these to be cropped for a petite person. And then they also have a slit on the bottom, just to change it up a little bit. Everything is functioning. The pockets, the zippers, they're all wonderful. It says inside, Sherry Slim and Lift and Tuck. We'll see about that. Now, I think the last two items are shoes. I'm excited about those. I love getting shoes. I'm wrong. There's 4 more items. These are by Open Edit, and I wear a size 7.5. And these, I'm not crazy about. I know the square toe is really in right now, but I've also watched a few videos saying that the square toe will be going out of style soon. And I've got quite a few pairs of sandals for this summer. They're okay. They're nice and squishy. I'm going to try them on. Maybe I'll fall in love with them once I put them on my foot. but I'll show them to you later. You'll have to excuse the dogs barking. I have 3 dogs, and the neighbors have 3 dogs, and there's a lot of barking that goes on back and forth. All right. All right, the next item we have is a long sleeve dress. It's got sheer sleeves. It is lined. And I'm trying desperately to be able to hold this up for you. There's a lot of straps holding things together. Okay, there we go. It's a peach color with dainty flowers on it. It's really cute. This is a petite by River Island. And I don't see a price tag on it, so I'll update you in the link below. I just found the envelope that has my invoice in it. This will help later on when I'm trying things on, and then I can tell you what all the price tags were. So in this envelope, it does tell me each item that is in my box, along with the price, and then the shipping label if I return anything, and then just the 2 strips of tape to tape this box back up. All right, we'll go over the invoice later on. Okay, this is a pair of shoes by Caslon, and I'm excited about these. I picked these out. Aren't these just killer? Love the snake print, and I love the different kind of toe on these. I love the white bottoms, very on trend right now, the lug look, but they're really ushy-gushy. They are wonderful. I can't wait to try them on. There's a little bit of elastic here. Yeah, they're gonna be great. I'm almost certain I'm keeping these. I'm not telling the husband that I'm keeping another pair of shoes. I have more shoes than I know what to do with. Okay, there's one more item in the box and we're running out of room here. Ah, yes, this is a bralette top. I thought it was very cute. I don't know how it's gonna look on me. I might feel like I'm revealing a bit too much, but I thought I should give it a try. It's the style right now. This here is from Free People, and it is, I believe, $66. It's dainty and beautiful though. I love it. We'll see how it fits. Let's try some of this on. Okay, so here is dress number 1. This is by Halogen. It is a large. They considered it long sleeve. I'd say it's more 3/4 sleeve. And this is $79 and ties at the waist here. It's cute. I like it, but there are too many dresses in this world to be had that have pockets, and this one does not have pockets. So this is going to be going back. On to dress number 2. This is by Nick and Zoe, and what I do like about this is that it is a petite, but I prefer it shorter. That's what I'm kind of looking at and looking for, are dresses that are no longer than my knee. I'm not tall enough to have them this long, but this is a petite, it's a large, and this was $100.80. Again, no pockets, so this is going back. I think I have one more dress to try. I thought instead of bothering with trying it on, there's no pockets on this, and it's not my style at all. This is nice, it's a 12 petite. This I think was $78. So the price is right and wonderful, but it's just not me. So we're gonna move on to jeans. Okay, so this is the Nick and Zoe petite large tank top in beige gray. And let me me see if I can find that on here. Yeah, it's $33. It's just a little too tight. I don't like things skimming me that tightly to where you can see where my jeans begin and end. Speaking of jeans, these are, I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're far too long. I'd have to be, excuse me, cutting them off or rolling them or something, and I'm just not looking to do that kind of work to my jeans anymore. They either fit or they don't. And these are not your daughter's jeans. These are 12 petites, and these are the straight leg jeans for $119. Now there's another pair of jeans I'm going to switch into, and those look to be a little shorter. I'll be right back. Not your daughter's jeans, and these are the slim ankle jeans for $99. And I'm not sure if you can see, there is a split at the bottom of the leg. I like these very much. They fit nice. They even make this top look a little better on me. And so these are in the maybe pile. We'll have to see if some of the shoes that I want to wear with these jeans, how they look with the split where it is. I have one more top to show you, and then I have a jumpsuit that we can talk about. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the new top. And as you see, they sent me a pair of shades to consider. They're a little big for my face. They touch way below my cheekbone. So, but I did want to show them to you all because I love the fade in them. I wish they were just a little smaller. Okay, this top. Let's see. I like this top. The square neckline is different for me, and I have on the same jeans. So this is by CC, and it's a large, and this is $49. I like the details, the little bows on the arms. It's absolutely adorable and totally my style. And then, not sure if you can see them, but then I also have the shoes on. I have definitely decided to keep these shoes. I've worn them out already, and they are comfortable and wonderful, and I love them. So let's talk about the jumpsuit they sent me. I'm not trying it on because it is way too big. I could wear it. I couldn't wear it. That's the whole point of it. There's no way I could wear this anywhere. I couldn't even get it hemmed if I wanted to. So what it's looking like is that I'm going to be keeping these jeans, this top, and I love these shoes. They're so cool. I'm not sure. There we go. Yeah. I love them, and they're really comfortable, and I think they're pretty cool looking. So that's my trunk club, and I'm quite happy with it. I'm keeping 3 pieces, and it's our first trunk club here. And I think as the stylist gets to know me a little better, we'll be able to work things out a little bit between my style, my liking, and my height. It's always an issue. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the little bell. All those things help me keep my channel going. Thanks so much and have a great day.